a stunningly renovated 4+1 bedroom home situated within the Samak community of Northeast Oshawa. Welcome to 1768 Silverstone Crescent. Featuring a heated garage with an upgraded door, a second-story balcony and a covered front porch, both with glass railings, as well as an upgraded entry door with an opaque paneled glass insert and side light. This immaculate home also showcases gorgeous interior upgrades and appointments on all 3 of its finished levels. Off the main hallway is a den that is ideal as a private home office, and just across the hall is a powder room with porcelain flooring, a floating vanity with stone counter, vessel basin, and modern vanity lighting, as well as a feature wall papered with an Escher-style geometric pattern. The hallway, formal dining room, and the living room are finished with high-quality laminate flooring with a rich dark hue, while the elegant entertaining space of the dining room additionally features a contemporary pendant light with glass globes and a stacked stone accent wall surrounding a built-in fireplace. Entertaining easily spills into the generously sized living room, which enjoys the warmth of a west-facing exposure, and also has a wall cutout shared with the adjacent breakfast area that enhances the open-theme design and flow of the principal rooms. Above the kitchen island and its seating is a modern linear pendant light with glass globes, with this fully renovated workspace showcasing porcelain flooring, cabinetry with undermount lighting, a pantry, and molded uppers with a glass-paneled accent cabinet, quartz counters and backsplashes, as well as a stainless steel oven with gas cooktop, a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, a built-in dishwasher, and a double undermount sink with an upgraded faucet. The breakfast area features a built-in bench seat, with the sliding door walkout here opening onto a sun-washed, west-facing raised deck with louvered railings that has a patio area directly beneath and which overlooks a fenced backyard with a storage shed. And other features of the main level include rounded corners, pot lighting, a neutral yet modern decor, as well as white, light-diffusing zebra blinds on the windows. Porcelain tiles glisten in the foyer, which has garage access and a coat closet with opaque paneled sliding doors, while to the upper level is a hardwood staircase with dark stained treads and railing, wrought iron pickets, and white risers, and with a scrolled metal modern chandelier above the mid-landing, casting ambient light throughout the upper hall. This level also showcases high-quality laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, and has the convenience of a laundry room with porcelain flooring, cabinetry storage, and a front-load washer and dryer. The second of this level's 4 spacious bedrooms features a south-facing window and a double closet, and shares with the 3rd and 4th bedrooms the main 4-piece washroom, which features porcelain flooring, a tiled bath and shower area, and a vanity with quartz counter, undermount basin, as well as an upgraded vanity light. And right across the hallway is a double linen closet. The 3rd bedroom has 2 east-facing windows, a walk-in closet with a window as well, and has space for a study desk or sitting area. And the adjacent 4th bedroom also has space for reading or studying, as well as a walk-in closet, and additionally showcases a walkout onto the east-facing covered balcony that is above the front entrance. The master suite has a very spacious walk-in closet, with this generously sized personal retreat featuring a contemporary chandelier, ample room for a sitting area, and 2 west-facing windows with white, light-diffusing zebra blinds. While its spa-like ensuite washroom showcases porcelain flooring, tiled finishes surrounding the soaker tub, and with the oversized glass shower area, as well as a vanity with quartz counter, undermount basins, and upgraded vanity lights. Other important and recent upgrades for this home are its interior doors, the exterior windows, the roof, the furnace, and the air conditioning. And the home also includes a built-in home theater system, 2 garage door openers, all appliances, and a treadmill. To the lower level are hardwood stairs, and right off the lower landing is a bonus area with 2 distinct rooms. One with a stacked washer and dryer, the other having access to a cold room, and both providing ample storage as well. Finished with vinyl plank flooring and hot lighting throughout, this level also features a 3-piece washroom, its porcelain tiled shower area having a glass wall, a glass sliding door, and a rainfall shower head, as well as a vanity with stone counter. Down the hall is access to a storage room under the staircase, as well as a spacious bedroom with an oversized above-grade window and ample closet storage. The remainder of this level is the living and entertaining spaces of the kitchen and recreation area, with the kitchen featuring plenty of counter workspace and seating at the peninsula, ample cabinetry storage, as well as a stainless steel double sink and appliances. A mirrored door double closet is next to a garden door walkout complete with zebra blinds that opens to the backyard, and the nicely sized family recreation area has a huge west-facing window. And with its separate entrance, as well as a tiered walkway on the south side of the home from the driveway to the backyard, this level is also very well suited as an in-law suite. Walking distance to Elsie McGill and Jan Sauvé Public Schools, St. John Bosco Catholic Elementary School, Maxwell Heights Secondary School, and numerous parks. This home is also close to the Smart Centre's Oshawa North Shopping Mall, plus a wide variety of shops and services along Taunton Road, while Durham College and UOIT campuses, the Cedar Valley and Harmony Valley conservation areas, golf courses, and access to highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away.